it's possible to get other information from third-party systems, such as the ISO specifications. Those ISO specifications are the theoretical values to be applied to the machine to have right behavior and the best yield, production yield for the machine. Uh, Before this kind of system, each machine was set by the operator, and the same machine from the same manufacturer could have a different yield depending on the settings, and only the operator knew the settings. With this system where all the data are recorded, it's possible to analyze for each machine what the best settings are for the machine compared to the specification. And with this kind of view, we can guide the operator and help him to apply the right settings to get the right actuals value for the best yield for the machine. So here we have real-time value from the machine and also value from third-party system, the MES system, but also a third-party system that has analyzed the data for the machine and give the best value for the settings.